I start a video? Hello. I'm Sam. Okay, start song. 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Sam. I wrote this song when I was tired and sad. Enjoy. I guess I should have seen this coming. You always hold on to something that I just can't control. And I know you tried to prove that you loved me, but it didn't feel very friendly. But I know that's not the point of it all. Because I still miss you, like the weather from May until July. And if you make it rain one more time, I swear to God you're gonna see me cry. Laughing together is one thing, but taking laughter is chasing. And we know you don't know the difference between the two. And your friends all said you were sorry. It doesn't matter if it comes from somebody who isn't you. Who isn't you. Because I still miss you, like the nebulas miss the stars that try. And if you make it rain one more time, I swear to God you're gonna see me cry. And you don't miss me, no matter how hard I try. And you keep making it rain, so I'll sit here and cry with the sky. All right. Thanks for watching. I know I haven't posted anything in, how long has it been? A month. Yikes. I don't really have an excuse. I just didn't have anything to post. That's it. Thank you. Like and comment and subscribe for more videos every 4 months. Also, follow me on Instagram so that you can become part of my rat army. I myself am the rat wizard, and I saw a bug. I don't know. I'm tired and I'm easily distracted, so I'm just gonna stop this video now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.